Welcome to the Nova Armada channel, and hello to my future subscribers and to my loyal subscribers. Today's aircraft is the Icelandair Boeing 757-308, with this aircraft wearing Icelandair's modern blue and yellow livery. Please watch to the end to see this aircraft's full history. This Boeing 757 was initially delivered to Icelandair from the Boeing Factory in Renton, Washington, in the United States on March 18th of 2002. This would be the first 757-300 model delivered to Icelandair. This was during a period of time when Icelandair had an all-757 fleet, powered by two Rolls Royce RB211 series high bypass turbofans, producing up to 43,500 pounds force or 193 kilonewtons at full power each. When initially delivered, the aircraft was painted in the standard blue and yellow livery of the 1990s era. The aircraft was and still is to this day, in the middle of 2023, registered as Tango Foxtrot-Foxtrot India X-Ray. The aircraft was also named Snorri Thorfinnson, the first European child born in North America. This aircraft has worn the same effective paint scheme since delivery. While flying for Icelandair, the aircraft has operated with a range of about 3,200 nautical miles, or about 6,000 kilometers. While flying internationally, the aircraft can operate in cruise mode up to 496 knots, or up to 918 kilometers an hour. As can be seen in this picture provided to passengers of Icelandair, this aircraft in particular was set up for 225 passengers. Sometime in early 2009, the aircraft's name was changed to Hengill, which is a volcanic region east of Reykjavik, the capital city of Iceland. This region is noted for its active hot springs and fumaroles. In 2011, this aircraft was upgraded with flush-mounted winglets on the main wings. The most significant incident that occurred to this aircraft occurred in 2015 while descending into Paris, France on a normally scheduled flight from Reykjavik. One of the two engines shut down, and when this happened, the flight crew declared an emergency and landed safely at the destination airport in Paris. The aircraft remained in Paris for over a day for emergency repairs and then returned to Reykjavik for more permanent repairs. Otherwise, outside of other minor incidents, this aircraft has and continues to serve as a passenger aircraft connecting Iceland to the world. The video on the screen now is a 1/400 scale model produced by a company called Gemini Jets in 2003. This particular model was one of 4 produced by various companies, with models produced in every major scale from 1/400 down to 1/600 scales. For any enterprise that is interested, this channel is available for advertising for your company. This opportunity is available for all reputable North American companies. Please contact me at the shown email address for details. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you watch my videos from start to finish helps me get a larger distribution around YouTube, which will bring in more subscribers that will then repeat this process. If you like what you've seen, hit those like buttons and spread the word. We've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it. Thank you, and good day.